That is my bike right there. I am on Riverwalk bike riding, and I really thought of a great education video for you guys. And here's how it goes. Here's how it goes. This market is shifting, right? More inventory, right? Which means people are going to be more inclined to do longer inspections and try to come at you for everything. Well, I'm bike riding, keeping healthy, right? Trying to get back into shape. You should do the same thing with your house. Too many times people will buy a home and then they will just not change the air filter and they'll just constantly let stuff go. And every time you do that, you're giving the next buyer, especially in an ongoing buyer's market, more of an opportunity to renegotiate, to ask for more closing costs, to walk away. So keep your house in shape. Always keep your house in shape. Keep your body in shape. Keep your house in shape. By the way, we're on Riverwalk, and this is the amphitheater, and there's a secret square that if you sing, it amplifies your voice. And it's right down the middle. You should come check it out. Follow me for your real estate education, food and fun, and weird stuff like this.